Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I found something really cool that I've never seen before on the market. This is a super slim LFP battery. Now, this is basically going to replace your 100 watt 12 volt battery, which is crazy because look at this thing. It is such a different design. I've never seen this before, and I'm excited to tell you all about it in this video. But if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, you already know about this, want to get right over to the page, you can use my discount code AdventureTech, get an extra discount on top of the $300 are already taken off this. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So the REGO 12.8 volt, 104 amp super slim lithium iron phosphate battery is pretty crazy. Ultra thin, only 2.4 inches. This might be the first battery like this that's ever been released. I've absolutely never seen anything like this, and it's crazy. So let's take a closer look at what this has, because it can even put out 200 amps. So what do we got here? We got solid power and ultra thin design. 2.4 inches. This doesn't even seem real. 200 amp output too, so you can get a 2000 watt inverter and it's going to be able to handle this battery no problem. A lot of these 12 volt batteries cannot put out 200 amps, and this is EV grade solid state cells. Vibration resistant for tough trails, RENOGY Smart app, and CAN RVC for effortless monitoring. This has 60 plus BMS protection, active backup protection. So you're getting everything you would see in a normal 12 volt battery, but you're actually getting this in a very, very small design. Things are really starting to look like the future. Super slim design, effortless installation, just 2.4 inches thin. This battery fits behind seats, under floors, and in tight spaces. Perfect for overlanding setups. Travel light with confidence. Stop overloading your 4x4 pickups with lead acid batteries and AC generators. This 12 volt, 104 amp hour solid state LFP battery frees up space so you can carry what really matters on your trip. Maximize your space. When you have a limited space, efficiency is always the key. This is really crazy though. To see this little tiny battery, I've really never seen anything like this. I'm so excited to see this on the market. Extended battery life, next gen LFP battery cell. You got lithium iron phosphate battery cells. So you get 6,000 cycles out of this, which is a very, very, very long time. It's like over 15 years if you charge and discharge this every single day. Inherently safe and stable, the new RENOGY Slimline LFP battery introduces revolutionary solid electrolytes, ensuring that the battery does not swell or burn even if punctured and crushed. Safety at its heart. The smart active safety design helps the super slim lithium battery take huge leap in sustained performance. The built-in battery management system, or BMS, offers more than 60 protections against things like overvoltage, short circuits, extreme temperatures, and more. With the self-control fuse and the active backup protection, your battery will get an extra more responsive protection when faced with overcurrent. Super flexible, easy to mount in any setup. With versatile mounting kits, you can install this battery under seats, on canopy sides, or beneath the floor. Secure and stable no matter the terrain. Low temp charging, all season performance. Whether you're in freezing cold or extreme heat, this battery can handle 200 amps output while charging at temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping power steady throughout shifting temperatures. That 200 amp discharge is pretty amazing. And this is built tough for the wild, built to handle the toughest conditions. This battery features an IP65 rated enclosure that shields against dust, water, and the elements, with UL94VO fire resistant rating as an extra layer of safety, giving you the confidence to push farther no matter where the road takes you. This is the newest of the new. I've never seen anything like this, and it doesn't surprise me that RENOGY's on top of this because they are very innovative and they got an amazing reputation. So there it is. If you're trying to get a discount on this, remember you can use my discount code AdventureTech, get an extra discount on top of the price. Use the links in the comments or description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Feel free to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon so that when I drop these videos, you can be one of the first people to hear about the newest tech and the best deals.